Hey Maya, welcome back to the studio. How has your week been going?
Hi, Tuna. Honestly, it's been incredibly busy. I feel like all I do is work, eat, and sleep. I tried to meet an old friend for coffee yesterday, but we had to cancel because we were both just too tired.
Oh no, really? I hate when that happens, but I totally understand. It feels like as we get older, our free time just disappears.
Exactly. And that actually reminds me of something I've been thinking about lately. Why is it so difficult to find new friends now? In school, it was so easy.
That is such a huge topic. I think a lot of our listeners feel that way too. It can be really lonely sometimes.
Definitely. So today we have a conversation between two friends, Sarah and Mark, talking exactly about this problem.
It's a very relatable situation. Now let's listen to today's conversation and see what happens.
It's so nice to finally sit outside. The office is freezing today.
Tell me about it. I needed some fresh air. So, how are things going with you, Sarah?
They're okay. Actually, to be honest, I've been feeling a bit lonely lately.
Really? Why is that? You seem to know so many people.
I know a lot of people, sure, but they are mostly just acquaintances. We say hi at work, but we never hang out. It's hard to make a real connection with anyone.
I get what you mean. In college, we had so much time. Now, by the time I finish work, I am completely exhausted.
Exactly. And even when I have energy, it feels awkward to ask someone to hang out. What if they say no?
Yeah, the fear of rejection is real. But you need common ground, like a shared hobby. Maybe you should join a club.
I've thought about that, but finding the opportunity is hard. My schedule is so full.
Making friends as an adult takes a lot of effort. It doesn't happen naturally like before. You have to really try.
I guess you're right. Maybe I should stop waiting for people to come to me. I need to change my social circle.
That's the spirit. Hey, why don't we invite some colleagues for dinner this Friday? No pressure.
That actually sounds fun. Thanks, Mark. I didn't realize how much I needed to talk about this.
Wow, that conversation really hit home for me. I know a lot of people, but they are just acquaintances. I feel that deep in my heart.
Me too, Tuna. It's a sad reality. You can be surrounded by people at work, but still feel lonely. That was our first word, right? Lonely?
Yes, lonely means you are sad because you are not with other people, or you feel disconnected. Even if you are in a crowd, you can feel lonely.
Exactly. For example, when I first moved to this city, I felt very lonely because I had no family here.
That's a great example. Sarah also used the word acquaintance. This is a really important B1 word. Maya, how is this different from a friend?
Good question. An acquaintance is someone you know, but you are not close to. Maybe you know their name and face, but you don't know their secrets or deep feelings.
Right. Like a neighbor you just say hello to. You wouldn't call them at midnight if you had a problem. You might say, I have many acquaintances at my gym, but no real friends.
Perfect. Now, Mark mentioned he is often exhausted. This is a strong word. It means very, very tired.
Not just a little bit sleepy. It means you have zero energy left. Like, after working for 12 hours, I was completely exhausted.
Oh, I feel that way every Friday. And because we are exhausted, trying to make friends feels awkward.
Oh, awkward is such a useful word. It describes a situation or feeling that is uncomfortable or embarrassing.
Yes. Imagine you wave at someone, but they don't see you. That is so awkward.
I hate that. Sarah felt it would be awkward to ask people to hang out. She wants a real connection. A connection is a strong feeling of understanding between two people.
Right. It's when you click with someone. You can say, we had an instant connection because we both love jazz music.
And that usually happens when you have common ground. Mark used this phrase. It means shared interests or opinions.
Exactly. If I like cooking and you like cooking, that is our common ground. It makes conversation easier.
But finding that takes effort. This means physical or mental activity needed to achieve something. It means trying hard.
Yes, learning English takes a lot of effort. You can't just sleep and learn it.
Mark also talked about finding an opportunity. An opportunity is a chance to do something.
Like, the party was a great opportunity to meet new people. Sarah felt she didn't have many chances.
True. She wanted to change her social circle. This phrase refers to the group of friends and people you spend time with.
My social circle is quite small now, just my family and 2 best friends.
Finally, Sarah said, I didn't realize how much I needed to talk. To realize means to understand or become aware of something clearly.
It's like a light bulb moment. I didn't realize it was raining until I went outside.
Exactly. Sarah realized she needs to be active. Making friends requires action.
I agree. I hope our listeners realize that they are not alone in this feeling.
Absolutely. So, are you finding it hard to make friends? We hope this episode helped you feel better about it.
Don't forget to practice these words today. Maybe call an acquaintance and turn them into a friend.
If you liked this episode, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Tell us, is it hard for you to make friends?
Download the transcript to study more. See you next time.
Bye.